Namaskaram girls. In the previous classes we learned international economics, isn't it? Till now we have learned the meaning of international economics and then the theories of subject matter of international economics and also the meaning of trade, internal international trade, and the theories, classical theories and also the modern theory, HO theorem also we have learned, isn't it? Today we are going to learn the terms of trade. This I already taught you while we are talking about the subject matter, the pure theory of economics, the pure theory of trade. I taught you composition of trade, direction of trade, terms of trade, balance of trade, everything I taught you. So what is that term, terms of trade? What do you mean by terms of trade? Have you remembered? Yes. It is the ratio between the exchange for goods for another country, isn't it? So it is the average price of exports divided by the average price of import. That means terms of trade is equal to what we have learned? Index price of, have you remembered? Index price of export. Index of export price, index price of export by index price of import. While we are talking about average, we have to multiply by 100. Okay. So, the terms of trade is nothing but index of export price by index of import price into 100. So the average between the export price is import price is called terms of trade. If the export price is higher than the import price, then we have terms of trade is improved or favor, isn't it? So under this we are going to study about types of terms of trade. Types of terms of trade. They have given 3 types. It was given by Gerald Mayer. He has given 3 types. One is net barter terms of trade. TOT means terms of trade. Gross barter terms of trade. And the third one is income terms of trade. So these are the 3 types we are going to study. The first 2 types is given by Taussig. You have already heard this word. This one is given by Dorrance in the year 1948. So Taussig, he has given this in the year 1927. The first theorem he has given, terms of trade he has given in 1927. And the gross barter system also, it is an improvement of the net barter system. It is also given in the year 1927. And the income terms of trade, Dorrance give in the year 1948. Now we are going to the three barter system in a detailed manner. So terms of trade is nothing but the index of export price by index of import price into 100. The difference between the export price and import price. If the average price of the export is higher, then it is favorable, isn't it? And then types of terms of trade. We are going to study the 3 types. Net barter terms of trade, gross barter terms of trade, income terms of trade. The first 2 terms of trade was given by Taussig in the year 1927 and the third one given by Dorrance in the year 1948. Now let us see what is net barter system. Net barter terms of trade. In the net barter terms of trade, we talks about the price. So this was developed by Toshik. The ratio between the price of exports and the price of import. That is, net barter terms of trade have been noted by this. Price of exports by price of import. This is called net barter terms of trade. It is named by Vinir as commodity terms of trade. Vinir has named as commodity terms of trade. What is net barter terms of trade? The price of exports divided by the price of imports into 100 is net barter terms of trade. Here Tn is equal to net barter system. Px refers to the index price of exports. Pm refers to the index price of import. So if you calculate this, you will get the net barter terms of trade. Do you understand? So it is given by Vinir. It is also called as commodity terms of trade. How do you calculate? Index price of export divided by index price of import into 100 is called net barter terms of trade. The next one is gross barter terms of trade. In the gross barter, we studied about the quantity. First one, we studied about price, isn't it? In the net barter system, net barter terms of trade, we studied about the price. In the gross barter terms of trade, we studied about the quantity. So what is TQ means? Sorry, TG. This is not Q, TG. That is terms of trade in the gross barter system. Here we are going to study about the physical quantity of exports by physical quantity of imports. Sorry. Physical quantity of imports divided by physical quantity of exports into 100. This is physical quantity of imports. First one, import, and second one, physical quantity of exports. So in the net barter system, we studied Px by Pm, but in the gross barter system, we studied about Qm by Qx into 100. Here Qm refers to the index of import quantities. Qx refers to the index of export quantities. So if a country is exporting more quantity, if they are consuming less, if the quantity of the import is less, then it is favorable. The trade is favorable. So here they are talking about the quantity. If we are exporting more quantity, importing less quantity, it is favorable trade. And the next one, income terms of trade. That is the combination of net barter and the gross barter. Income terms of trade was given by Dorrance in the year 1948. It is the index price of the value. This is I. How do you calculate this? This is nothing but the I already told you the combination of net barter and the gross barter system, isn't it? So here Px by Pm into Qm. This is income terms of trade. Sorry, Qx. Exports. Qx. Income terms of trade. The index price of exports divided by the index price of imports into quantity, index of export quantities. Index of export quantities. Other words, Here we are studying the net barter, isn't it? Net barter trade into what we can say? Export volume index. Net barter trade is Px by Pm into quantity of exports. If you calculate this, you will get income terms of trade. So these are the three types of terms of trade given by Taussig. Gerald Mayer. The first two type was given by Taussig and the third type income terms of trade was given by Dorrance in the year 1948. Then Vinir, the economist who has given the name of commodity terms of trade for the net barter system, he developed this as a single factoral trade. Single factoral terms of trade. He has devised another concept, the single factoral terms of trade. It is an improvement of the commodity terms of trade. So the first trade I told now, net barter system today, another version. What it represents, it is the ratio of export price index to the import. The same thing, here we are writing factoral. The same thing, Vinir has given this, isn't it? Px by Pm, net barter system, commodity. So that same thing with addition to the single factoral of exports. So it represents the ratio of the export price index to the import price, adjusts for the productivity of the countries, factor in the production of exports. So the factors which are including in the production activity for the export is included, should be included, he told. So we can symbolically we can write PF is equal to Px by Pm into Fx. That means single factoral. Then he developed another one, that is double factoral terms of trade. Double factoral is nothing but the addition to the single factoral. He has given the double factoral. Here he has given Fx. The another one, what would come? Yes, he has written the factor which is used in the productivity for the export. The same thing he has included the factor which is used for the import also. That is double factoral terms of trade. So further he developed. Vinir has constructed another one. First he constructed the single factoral which is developed of the net barter system. Then it was redefined by him, the double factoral terms, that is FF double factoral is equal to Px by Pm into Fx by Fm. Do you understand, girls? So here Fx already we have studied, they represent the export index. Here Fm refers to the import index, which is measured as the index cost in the terms of quantity of factors production employed per unit in the export import outputs productivity. So single factoral, double factoral, first three we have studied: net barter, gross barter, and also the income terms of trade. The next one we are going to study balance of trade, BOT, and balance of payment, POP.